Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
We've made it. We're ready to launch this beautiful rocket, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the rocket motor. Now, because this rocket has a center of pressure that's really far forward, we had to add a lot of nose weight to make sure that it flies stable. So we didn't put an engine retainer on the back because that would move the center of gravity back closer to that center of pressure, making the rocket less stable. So because of that reason, we don't really use an engine retainer on this particular rocket. So what I'll show you is how I hold the rocket in, and I've never had any problem with this. So you want to use a high thrust motor with a shorter delay. So this is rocket right here is I got an X-15-4. So this is a high thrust, low delay motor. And that's going to go into the back of the motor like this. And then we're going to use regular masking tape to just tape it in. So the engine tube sticks out the back just a little bit. And the reason for that is so that we can wrap masking tape around. Now you can see I've got a fairly short piece, so I'm going to do a number of short pieces until I get all the way around. So let's see if I can get this in here. And I'm doing it upside down so I can't see what I'm doing. So I'm trying to push it in as far along that tube as I can, and then I'm going to bend it over like this, and that kind of locks it in place. Okay, so really push down on the outside edges to make sure that the tape is really adhered well to that tube. And you can pull really hard on this as it's not moving. So now this motor is restrained. It can't go forward because of the thrust ring that's built into the motor, and it's not coming out because of the tape on the outside. So at this point, we would put in our igniter. I got an igniter here, but I'm not going to put it in. I don't usually put them in until you're out on the pad. That's the safe thing to do. We'll go ahead and launch this, and I'll attach the launch video so you can actually see what this rocket looks like. So this is the X-15. Enjoy the launch. And my name is Tim Van Milligan. This is the Apogee Rocketry Workshop. May the winds be light, may the skies be blue, and may all your rockets fly straight and true.
We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.